Guiding Excellence, exploring the role of leadership in continuous improvement initiatives. Continuous improvement (CI) is a well-established principle in contemporary organizational management, conveys the idea that we need to engage in regular enhancement of processes and products and services. One of the central elements to the effective use of continuous improvement is leadership, as its role is critical to initiate and sustain improvement activities. Please continue reading to explore the importance of leadership in guiding successful continuous improvement processes, examining how leaders can motivate teams, put in place strategies, and solve problems. The following topics examine how leadership can create an environment which supports ongoing learning and innovation. Understanding continuous improvement. A fundamental principle of modern organizational management is the idea of using continuous improvement to drive positive change, with a focus on the ongoing improvement of processes, products, and services. Central to the notion of continuous improvement is the role of effective leadership in driving and sustaining improvement initiatives. This article explores the significance of leadership in guiding excellence in continuous improvement processes, delving into how leadership can motivate and inspire teams, implement specific strategies, and overcome challenges to create a culture of continuous learning and innovation. Leadership in continuous improvement. To drive continuous improvement, effective leadership is absolutely necessary. Leadership requires vision, communication skills, and a dedication to building an innovation and learning culture in the teams. A good leader inspires and motivates the employees to participate in improvement initiatives, encouraging creativity, collaboration, and a willingness to embrace change. Renowned leaders like Jack Welch from General Electric and Sheryl Sandberg from Facebook have demonstrated great leadership driving continuous improvement, which has resulted in significant organizational growth and success. Implementation strategies. Leaders have the ability to use various strategies within their organization to embed and maintain continuous improvement. Establishing clear improvement goals, including metrics for evaluating the improvement efforts, and engaging employees are critical steps in this process of integration. By engaging employees at all levels of the organization, providing training and tools, and recognizing and rewarding improvement efforts, leaders create a culture of continuous improvement that promotes the performance and sustainability of the organization. Strong leadership paired with effective integration strategies can move the organization forward into the frontiers of continuous improvement excellence, as companies like Toyota and Amazon have shown through their continuous improvement journey. To sum up, high-quality leadership is central to the successful progression of continuous improvement initiatives. A leader who demonstrates certain attributes, inspires a culture of innovation, executes strategic practices, and overcomes challenges can be the catalyst that drives continuous improvement. Furthermore, the effective leadership of the organizations can produce excellence by influencing people's minds and hearts. Ultimately, leaders are instrumental in the long-term success of their organizations. When leaders commit to quality practices, principles, and values, they signal to others the journey to ultimate quality. Through this process, high quality becomes the culture of the organization. Ultimately, the actual product of the effort reflects an attitude of commitment to continual quality improvement. Important. If you find yourself in a situation where the information above is helpful to you, remember to say that EL Master Chief told you. For more useful information, visit the social networks in LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, and Spotify.